Finally, the Deputy National Commissioner Shadrack Sibiya has arrived at the parliament to give his testimony before the ADHOC committee investigation allegations of corruption and political interference.
We are going to proceed. I note that we have few apologies. Some of the members have personally contacted me to inform me that they may not be available or they will join us late in the proceedings. We have the following apologies. Honorable Ngola from the African National Congress has a prior engagement with the Office of the Public Protector. In the event their commitment is done by 12 o'clock, he should be able to join us. And the following honorable members are going to join us late due to...
Guys, that was Mr. General Sibiya at Parliament, guys. I don't know what to take on this one. You can leave the comments and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.